Hello everyone and welcome to our video. In this episode, we delve into an interesting patent infringement case that recently took place in Vietnam. The case revolves around a French company and prominent patent owner in Vietnam, specializing in the manufacturing of agrochemicals and agricultural chemicals. Join us as we explore the facts of the case, legal arguments, outcomes of the case, and key considerations from this fascinating case. Bayer SAS, the plaintiff in this case, holds a patent in Vietnam for a new agrochemical combinations of two known insecticides and the other agrochemical products. They discovered that a Vietnamese company named Nong Phat were manufacturing pesticides that contained the active ingredients protected by the plaintiff's patent. To substantiate their claim of infringement, the plaintiff sought an expert opinion from the Vietnam Intellectual Property Research Institute, or VIPRI for short. The VIPRI provided a favorable expert witness testimony supporting the plaintiff's allegations of patent infringement. In response, the defendant denied the infringement allegation. They argued that the ingredients used in their products were imported and entrusted to them by a foreign company. Additionally, they claimed that their products have been reviewed and approved by the Plant Protection Department, complying with Vietnamese law. The defendant took further action by initiation an invalidation action against Bayer's patent, hoping to delay the proceedings. They believed that the court should suspend the case until the patent validity was determined. To address the validity of the patent, the IP Office of Vietnam, or IP Vietnam for short, were requested to provide expert opinions. IP Vietnam confirmed that despite the ongoing cancellation action, Bayer's patent remained in force. The court, considering the parties' right and interest, proceeded with the case despite the pending invalidation. In its judgment, the court accepted the majority of the plaintiff's claims and ordered the defendant to cease manufacturing, distributing, and advertising the infringing pesticides. The court also ordered the defendant to pay attorney's fees to the plaintiffs. Now that we have examined the intricate details and outcomes of this intriguing patent infringement case, let's shift our focus to the key takeaways. Understanding the key lessons and implications is essential to gaining a comprehensive perspective on this legal battle. Even if an invalidation action is filed, civil procedures may not be stayed. In this case, the court determined that the matter needed to be heard to protect the parties' rights and comply with intellectual property laws. This precedent could impact future cases and prevent unnecessary delays in resolving IP disputes. IPR holders in Vietnam has administrative, civil, and criminal rules to fight against infringement. Civil actions, although gaining, are still less commonly used due to perceived inexperience in the courts. However, they provide unique remedies such as compensation for damages, a public apology, rectification, and recovery of attorney's fees. Challenging the validity of the patent is a common cultural action in patent infringement cases. Defendants may also argue that the accused embodiments doesn't fall within the patent claims or that alleged infringing acts are exempted from patent infringement. Taking an invalidation action against a patent is another strategy employed by defendants. In this case, the plaintiff requested compensation for attorney's fees, but the courts reduced the amounts awarded. Vietnam's IP law allows recovery of reasonable legal fees and actual damages, include material and spiritual damages. However, claiming damages can be challenging, requiring clear and legitimate evidence establishing a direct causal relationship between the infringement and the damage. That concludes our overview of this patent infringement case in Vietnam. It highlights the importance of understanding the legal landscape and the available remedies for IPR holders. If you found this video informative, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.